Hey folks, today I'm going to be working on my adding my fish finder, set up a fish finder for my kayak. So just thought I'd show you some of the materials that are involved here. So that's fish finder. Here's all the PVC, other stuff that is going to be involved with mounting it, the electronics. There's the battery and the box that the battery is going to go in. So I'm not going to document this all the way through, but I'll come back every now and again and show you where I am. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my battery box. It's basically the design on YouTube of Kayak DIY. So I'll link that below in the description. But basically, it's a waterproof box here. And this is called a cable gland here that makes a waterproof entry point here. So this should stay dry. It's a waterproof case, and I have a fuse here. The connections you can see are on the posts there, and I tested it, and I am getting battery power out through here. And I put a quick connect on here so that I could disconnect and carry this separately from the rest of my gear. And then these little just cut up pool noodles here to keep the battery from sliding around. And I put the other one there on the top, bring it over, and close it. And there we go. So on to the next step. Okay, here is my PVC setup. This is a new rig. It looks like my old one, but I added a couple new things. Obviously, this is the mount for the fish finder, which will go right on there. And I haven't completely attached this yet. I'm not sure how I want to attach this, if I want to make it permanent or not. Probably not. I'll probably figure out a way to get it on there without actually gluing it. And then there's the camera mount. That's the same as before. And the rod holder, which is the same as before. But then I added the arm for the transducer here. And one thing I did so that this was not all one piece, is I added this pin here, and it lets me take it off so that I can store it and move it as two pieces. And of course the transducer cord will come down here, and I'm about to do the electronics setup here, and then everything will be together. But anyway, that's just an update of where I am now. Okay, here is the finished product. Everything is hooked up and running. You can see the fish finder is working, even though I'm in my garage. It's on, so it's working. The wire in the back there ran down. Transducer is hooked on here. So I glued everything except, as I mentioned before, this isn't glued right here. And then I didn't glue this joint either, so this could slide up if I hit something. And it'll still connect even if it were to come off. This wire is going to hold it on there, so I'm not too concerned about that. Over in the back here, there's the wiring to the battery box. I haven't figured out how I'm going to tie this down yet, but it's pretty heavy. It's not going to fall over unless I fall in. So, one problem at a time, I guess. But anyway, there we have it. Full product done. Looking forward to getting it out on the water. So as always, thanks for watching.